Oh, there, school and district leaders. In my experience, most districts don't struggle with knowing what to do about chronic absenteeism. The challenge is turning that knowledge into an attendance plan that gets implemented and sustained. That's why I am inviting you to join me for the Strategic Attendance Planning virtual workshop series because let's be real, addressing chronic absenteeism takes more than just good intentions. It takes systems, it takes alignment, it takes shared ownership. So, you'll receive the Raw Week Definitive Guide for Attendance Improvement, templates for planning, presentation slides, leadership discussion and reflection, actionable and practical strategies, along with system based intervention tools. And most of all, you will receive CEU credits and a chance to win those famous $50 gift cards. So, register to secure your spot, grow your systems and your strategy playbook, build your infrastructure for collaboration, and lead with impact. See you on Tuesday.